Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from my voice, I've got a bit of a cold, got a runny nose, coughing, had a very bad night's sleep last night, so I didn't go to work today. So I'm gonna do haven't done one of these videos in a while. I'm gonna do a sinus cleaning. I'm gonna add something different to it today. So first, I had a lot of comments last time about the water, so even if the tap water is drinkable, you still can't use it because you can develop some bacteria which eats the brain or something. This was on one of the episodes of the doctors and got everyone worried, so just use distilled water or at least boil the water before you use it and make sure it gets warm before you actually put it in, because it might be hot, so make sure it warms up it'll like easy to the touch. So first I'm gonna put 1 cup of warm boiled water, and then I'll still add 1/4 spoon of salt. You can use table salt, you can use Himalayan salt, or it will still do the same thing. This will give you a temporary relief. So for the secret ingredient, it's hydrogen peroxide. We add 1 capful. Hydrogen peroxide it's like water, except it has 2 atoms of oxygen instead of 1. And it's always helped, like if you put it in the nose, it actually dries up the nose, all the moisture, so it gives you a relief and opens up your nostrils and you can breathe for a few hours. So we're gonna shake this very well until the salt is all dissolved. And we'll do the same thing. First I'm gonna lean, kind of keep it straight, and if you lean backwards, it's probably better. Kind of flushes out everything. Other side. So what you're doing is pressing this button up there, which puts the air in, and that's it. And yes, I can actually breathe through my nose. When I had one or both blocked, and feels a lot better. So I'm just cleaning this now. And hope that helps. Remember, this is just temporary relief, and if you have the flu and it persists, see your doctor. Thanks and bye-bye.